assigning a customer to a pricing book in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you what a pricing book is, how to open one, and how assigning a customer makes every future order use that book's prices. Let's take a look. You'll find this under Sales, Books from your dashboard. A pricing book is a named group of prices you can assign to a distributor at once, instead of setting prices one customer at a time. This lists all your existing pricing books, one active book per distributor. Open one and you'll see every SKU price inside it and every customer currently assigned. Here, Carlson Distributing's AFOB 2026 book is active, with 8 lines effective from July 1st. To add a customer, click Assign Customer, search their name, and confirm. Every order they place from now on automatically uses this book's prices. Need a new book entirely? Create one, name it, and start adding SKU prices. It's the fastest way to manage pricing for a whole class of customers.